The perception of Michael B. Jordan as universally attractive is deeply rooted in evolutionary biology and neuroscience. Our brains are wired to respond to specific facial symmetry, clear skin, and strong jawlines, features that historically signaled health and genetic fitness. Brain imaging studies show that looking at faces with high symmetry activates the orbitofrontal cortex and the nucleus accumbens, regions linked to reward and pleasure. In Michael B. Jordan's case, his facial proportions align closely with the golden ratio, a mathematical pattern that humans subconsciously find pleasing. His confident posture, deep voice, and warm smile further trigger dopamine release, reinforcing the sense of appeal. However, biology alone does not explain his universal appeal. Media exposure plays a powerful role in shaping neural pathways related to attractiveness. Repetitive viewing of his image in films like Black Panther or Creed primes the brain's fusiform face area, making his features more familiar and therefore more preferred. Media filters, lighting, and camera angles amplify his symmetry and skin tone, creating a hyperrealistic version of beauty that the brain learns to value. This is known as the mere exposure effect. The more we see a face framed as desirable, the more our amygdala associates it with positive emotion, and our prefrontal cortex labels it as attractive. The media's influence also extends to cultural conditioning. Through constant representation of certain facial types across magazines, social platforms, and streaming services, a collective standard of beauty emerges. Michael B. Jordan's broad appeal partly reflects Hollywood's successful packaging of a specific look that aligns with both biological preferences and modern aesthetic trends. Neuroplasticity means our brains adapt to these recurring visual cues, essentially rewiring what we find attractive. The result is a feedback loop. Biology provides the initial template, but media repeatedly reinforces it until a person like Michael B. Jordan becomes a near-universal symbol of male beauty.